said you ride at your own pace in that. Good. If you watch this and look for something to do, I would highly suggest that, because to me it's a lot of fun. I think I'm going to try, see if I got this fixed. Yesterday it fell apart. Seems to work all right. Worked out. When I had New England, makes the trip a little bit more enjoyable for me if I can have a smoke now and then, have something to drink. And between the 200 miles we ride, usually from gas station to gas station, got a few Harley shops that we want to head up in Massachusetts and New York and that. I'm considering going up that way. We cut across Pennsylvania and hit 95 and kind of follow it up along New York City, which I think will be a nice seeing the skyline and that. And Massachusetts follows the Atlantic Ocean and go through Rhode Island and up to Maine, and then come back across from New Hampshire and Vermont and come into New York. Don't know whether we're going to go all the way across New York and then down, or halfway through. I saw a route the other day and you cut down through and hit Pennsylvania and hit that Route 6. I heard it was a nice ride. Upper northern part of Pennsylvania. trying to get something a little bit different.